Naguguluhan ka na ba sa life? Anong career mo? Saan ka dapat pupunta? Ano yung skill sets na kailangan mong ma-develop? If you're that person, let's talk. Now, para malaman mo yung yung best career para sa'yo, look up your birth chart. Tapos tingnan mo yung tinatawag nating midheaven. It is always stationed sa 10th house mo for the career. So tingnan mo anong zodiac sign meron ka doon. Let's say it's Libra. So, midheaven and Libra ha. That means, one of the possible careers na applicable para sa'yo, since the Libra is connected to the card of justice, is about anything about balance. It could be as well, according sa, that is related to law, or pwedeng marriage counselor, or anything that will make sure justice is being served. Or sabihin na lang natin na yung midheaven mo is in Cancer. So, since Cancer is about family, could be that pwedeng caregiver, andyan na full-time moms or full-time dads, or it could be also someone who helps to cater to family concerns. So, paano naman doon sa purpose mo and skills na kailangan mo ayusin or i-develop? Now, for your purpose, check mo sa birth chart mo. Tignan mo naman doon yung North Node. Usually, it is on the left side ng birth chart mo. So, let's say your North Node, that is your, North Node is your purpose eh. So, let's say your North Node is in Aries. So, it's connected to the tarot card Emperor. So, meaning, leadership positions ang kailangan mo. Yung mga may decision-making bodies ka. So, yun yung mga possible karamihan ng mga effective na politiko. They are, or effective leaders, managers, supervisors. There's a possibility that they have Aries in their North Node. Pero paano naman yung skills na meron ka, yung gift na galing sa past life mo, or binastow sa'yo ng universe? Doon mo titignan naman yung South Node mo. So, opposite naman siya nung North Node. So, looking at your birth chart, may kita mo doon kung ano yung mga skills, talents, wisdom na meron ka. So, let's say your South Node is in Capricorn. And Capricorn is about career. So, andoon na logical thinking kasi din sila. And it could be that since Capricorn is also an earth element, andoon na very logical sila mag-isip and they don't let emotions take over. Ikaw ba? Anong north-south node mo, tsaka mid-heaven mo? Comment those below. I'll see you soon.